This is a quick studio tour, just how things are at the moment as I'm preparing for Art Week. So this is the outside of my studio, and living just next to it we have my lovely models, the chickens. So this is Clara, Edwina, Goldie and Annie in her very fancy glasses. And we do have the guinea pigs out, but I think they may have gone away for a little sleep. So let's go inside. So I have quite a few blinds because I'm light sensitive. Inside we have the current display on the walls, some of which will be staying. I need to select which work I want. This is what I am doing just here, and it's my computer, my art books, work in progress, and there's my printer, and it's my kind of collection of art tools. And over here we have the 3D printer printing away, and these are some things that have come out of it. So the thing I have to do next is to get everything framed. So these frames are waiting in readiness. These are just stuck up by magnets, so they will be coming down and possibly going into the browser. So just give you a good sort of overall view of the place. I'm going to be getting that table out of the corner there and putting it up so that I can cut my own mount boards and get them all framed up nice and looking the best they can be. So I hope you enjoyed this little studio tour. If you have any questions about anything you see, please ask. Sometimes I get asked about this, so if I just move this stool you can have a look. So these are my architect's drawers, they're called, and they can take a lot of paper and some very big paper. They're very large flat drawers, and I store my work in, and I store paper that I want to use. So yes, please come and visit me for Art Weeks. I will look forward to it. This is my first time. Be kind. Buy something. Okay, thank you for watching. Leave a comment with your questions, or I don't know, any compliments. Farewell.